Hello, this is Cantayo Path. We come into this beautiful town, and we don't know what's the town of this.
Ephrata.
Oh, Ephrata Borough, and it's so nice. Look at this, very nice town. Awesome. Pennsylvania? Still? Okay. Yeah. Here. My silly husband, guys. Can tie your back.
Yeah,
I like this.
So nice
it's so nice.
That old Volkswagen.
Oh yeah. And it's so beautiful out. Holy Trinity. That's nice. There was a nice car wash there.
Oh, yeah.
Could go
Car's
down on
clean.
the thing. I know, no, I'm just saying.
Man, this is a nice area.
Yeah, no,
I never realized that 322 is.
it's so cute.
Hot tub and pool supposed to
Have you been to this road before, huh?
I've been on 322, but I've never been down through here.
Ah, that's good. You came down here, you get to see it. I get to see it. Right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, sing me that song again.
Sing me a new song.
No, the Rubber
Like the
Ducky.
song we sung from mountains high.
Rubber Ducky.
Sing a new song unto the Lord, singing hallelujah. There.
No, how about the Rubber Ducky? The Ernest song. Go.
Rubber ducky, you were the one. You make bad time lots of fun. Rubber ducky, I won't believe on ducky.
Quack, quack. See, no. Let me do the quack, quack. You do the singing. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, man.
Oops.
How about if we go two instead? Here's Chipotle.
Go.
You make wet do lots of fun.
Quack, quack.
Baby Patrick.
What is triple dose?
222.
Ow.
And there's the sheets.
Yeah.